In 2020, Electrek revealed for the first time that Tesla would build its next Gigafactory in Austin. Later, it was confirmed that Tesla had purchased over 2,000 acres of land around the Colorado River east of the city. 2 years later, Tesla built a giant main factory in what is now called Gigafactory Texas. In today's video, we'll talk about all the updates related to Tesla Gigafactory for 2022. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. The automaker entered 2021 with a production rate of around 700,000 vehicles per year and ended with a production rate of more than 1 million vehicles per year. Tesla launched the new Model S and Model X in 2021 and added a ton of new features to its existing lineup. 2022 will again be a year of growth for Tesla with the startup and ramp-up of production at Gigafactory Texas. Last month, it was confirmed that production of the Model Y had started at the new factory, with the automaker also rolling out some battery cell production to the building. But with over 2,000 acres, Tesla is expected to implement several new projects around the main factory. Last year, it was revealed that Tesla was working on a new Bobcat project on around 97 acres at the site. Now, Tesla has applied for another project named Project Cathode on 32 acres at the site. The progress of the Gigafactory Texas solar panel installation was captured on a recent video by drone operator Jeff Roberts, who has been closely monitoring the facility's construction since its inception. A clue to the progress and pace of the installation of the Giga Texas solar panels can be seen in photos taken from the roof of the facility on February 2, 2022. Although Tesla has not released an official render for the full design of Gigafactory Texas, speculation abounds among the electric vehicle community that the roof of Gigafactory Texas will be filled with solar panels, allowing the company to power the massive facility using renewable energies. This is something that Tesla had raised in its plans for Giga Nevada, its first Gigafactory, whose physical footprint has hovered around 30% for a few years now. Gigafactory Texas is expected to begin vehicle production in the near future, and Tesla noted on its recent earnings call that the first Model Y equipped with 4,680 structural batteries would likely see deliveries in the first quarter of 2022. In Texas, we are building the Model Y with the structural battery and 4,680 cells, and will start delivering after final certification of the vehicle, which should be very soon, CEO Elon Musk said. Also, Tesla's Gigafactory Texas is expected to reshape an area weakened by the COVID-19 pandemic. Travis County officials issued a disaster declaration in March of 2020, and data from the Federal Reserve showed a 10.2% increase in jobless claims from April 2019 to April 2020. According to a presentation conducted by Tesla in June 2020, the automaker projected that its new plant would provide 5,000 mid-skill jobs that correspond to a specific economic development need and directly contribute $600 million in annual sales. The factory was also expected to create 4,000 new non-Tesla jobs due to side effects. Although the plant is ready for vehicle production, work at the Giga Texas site continues at an extremely rapid pace. In the past few weeks alone, drone overflights have revealed that the company has taken delivery of another GigaPress machine. First production of the made in Texas Model Y is also underway, with several of the vehicles seen around the complex. As CEO Elon Musk often points out, manufacturing is the hardest part, which means Tesla will face many challenges in trying to achieve both of these goals. Our Tesla 2022 report is likely to focus heavily on how the company is trying to exceed these goals. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.